This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make text uppercase in Google Sheets. If you created a spreadsheet and then later decided that you wanted some text to be capitalized, you don't need to click on the cell and type all of the text again. You can use a formula to help you with that. What you need to do is go to an empty cell and then type the formula upper. So that's equal upper, and then add a parentheses, and then you can either type the name of the cell, which in this case would be A2 if I wanted to capitalize all of these character names, or you can click on the cell. And you'll see that Google Sheets is going to give you a preview of what it's going to look like, and then close that parentheses. Now that text has been capitalized. Then what you want to do is click this box and drag it all the way down to row 8 to make all of the character names capitalized. Now you're thinking, okay, the letters are capitalized, but they're not where I want them to be. And you can't just copy and paste this here, because when you click on the cell, what's inside of the cell is actually the formula, not the new text. So what you need to do is you need to copy the cells by right-clicking and selecting copy or using the keyboard shortcut, and then come over here to where you want to paste the data, right-click, and then select paste special, and then select values only. So it will actually copy the text itself and not the formula. And you can also use the keyboard shortcut that will show here on your computer. When you click on that, the text is now all capitalized in the original font. You can repeat this process for other pieces of text that you want to capitalize. So this video shows you how to capitalize text in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.